Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Instagram not working problem. Switch to Instagram Lite problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store and click on search bar and search Instagram Lite. Update Instagram Lite. Go to phone setting or open on phone setting. Scroll down. Click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down. Click on Instagram Lite. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage and tap on clear. Hopefully problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.